Hi, this is Dr. Scott Watson with a very quick Finale tutorial. Somebody recently asked me, how can I convert a Finale document from 3/8 to 3/4 time? So here is a Finale document in 3/8 time, and we're going to go ahead and just use the time signature tool, change this to 3/4 time for the whole piece. And then we have less notes than fill up the piece. So we're going to select these notes, go to the Utilities menu, and say change the duration. And we're going to change the note duration. We're going to double that, so that would be 200%. And that makes all the durations adjust to the doubled time signature from 3/8 to 3/4 time. So that would be one way to do it. And if there's another way to do it, in the comments section, why don't you share that with all of our viewers, and hope this helps.